Hey, electric car enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated electric SUVs of 2025, the BYD Song L. Before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the content. We've got plenty of exciting information to share, from its cutting-edge design to performance and everything in between. Stay tuned to find out why the BYD Song L is making waves in the electric vehicle market. The exterior of the BYD Song L 2025 is a true testament to futuristic automotive design. The sleek, aerodynamic lines not only give it a sporty appearance but also enhance its overall efficiency. The front of the SUV is characterized by its sharp, angular LED headlights, which seamlessly blend into the body, providing a striking look even in the dark. The lack of a traditional grille emphasizes the all-electric nature of the Song L, offering a clean and streamlined front fascia that is both modern and efficient. Moving along the sides, the SUV showcases strong, bold character lines that highlight its muscular stance. The wheel arches are accentuated, giving the Song L a powerful road presence, while the large alloy wheels add to its sporty appeal. The rear of the vehicle is just as captivating, with full-width LED taillights that create a sleek, continuous light bar across the back, enhancing both style and safety. Overall, the BYD Song L is a head-turner designed to stand out in any environment. Step inside the BYD Song L 2025 and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail in the cabin. The interior is a blend of luxury and futuristic tech, with high-quality materials such as leather, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch plastics used throughout. The centerpiece of the cabin is the large, high-resolution touchscreen that handles everything from navigation to media and climate control, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. The spaciousness of the Song L interior is another key highlight. With plenty of legroom and headroom for all passengers, it's designed for comfort on both long trips and daily commutes. The seats are ergonomically designed with multiple adjustments, heating, and even ventilation options. To enhance the premium feel, a panoramic sunroof stretches across the ceiling, flooding the cabin with natural light and making the interior feel even more open and airy. When it comes to performance, the BYD Song L 2025 is no slouch. It's equipped with a dual-motor setup that delivers impressive power to all four wheels. With a total system output of over 500 horsepower, this electric SUV can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.5 seconds. The instant torque from the electric motors ensures a thrilling driving experience, with immediate acceleration that makes city driving and highway merging effortless. Whether you're navigating busy streets or cruising on the open road, the Song L delivers smooth and responsive handling. In addition to its powerful performance, the Song L also offers a quiet and refined ride typical of electric vehicles. The advanced suspension system is designed to absorb road imperfections, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough terrain. Plus, with its all-wheel drive capabilities, the Song L is versatile enough to handle a variety of road conditions, from city streets to off-road adventures. This makes it not just a high-performance SUV, but also a highly practical one for everyday driving. One of the standout features of the BYD Song L 2025 is its impressive range and charging capabilities. On a full charge, this electric SUV can travel up to 600 kilometers, making it one of the top contenders in its class for long-distance driving. Whether you're planning a road trip or just want to minimize stops at charging stations, the Song L delivers exceptional range that provides peace of mind for any journey. And thanks to BYD's advanced blade battery technology, this range comes with improved safety and durability. Charging the Song L is quick and convenient. The vehicle supports 800 volts fast charging, allowing you to recharge up to 80% of the battery in just 30 minutes. This fast charging capability ensures that you spend less time plugged in and more time on the road. Plus, the Song L is compatible with a wide range of public charging stations, making it easy to charge whether you're at home or on the go. It's this combination of long range and rapid charging that makes the BYD Song L a practical choice for both city and highway driving. Safety is a top priority for BYD, and the Song L 2025 comes packed with advanced features to keep you and your passengers safe. The SUV is equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to provide a safer driving experience by monitoring the road and helping to prevent potential accidents before they happen. In addition to these active safety systems, the BYD Song L also includes a 360-degree camera that gives you a complete view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. The SUV is also equipped with blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and pedestrian detection. These features ensure that you're fully aware of your surroundings at all times, whether you're on the highway or navigating crowded city streets. In conclusion, the BYD Song L 2025 is an impressive all-electric SUV that combines style, luxury, and performance in a single package. With its stunning exterior design, spacious and tech-filled interior, and powerful performance capabilities, it's set to make a significant impact in the EV market. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV or a high-performance electric vehicle, the Song L offers something for everyone. Thank you for tuning into today's review. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest electric vehicle news. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned. And until next time, drive safe and stay charged.